Here's a more advanced clock method that's good to know. You only need to memorize 2 numbers. Center U, center U again. You can start on any side of the clock as long as the 12 is facing up to start the memo. I'm just going to choose Y for this. Now, first up is going from center. Now, for my scramble, it could be anything, so center to U. How much is that? 1, 2. 1. So my first number is positive 1. Now we're going to flip. Do the same thing here. 1, 2. My second number is 2. So my memory will be 1, 2. I'm going to start on this side and push all these pins up. I'm going to start my first memo, 1. Now I'm going to push these pins down and align them. Align these 2 clocks. And push this pin up, and align these 2 to make an L. Now, push these 2 pins up and make another L. So you're going to match these 2 with this one. Then you're going to flip. You know you did this correctly if these two clocks are matching. Then we're going to push these pins down and push this pin up. Then we're going to make a 2x2 block here. Then we're going to push this pin up and match these 2 clocks again. Push this pin up and make this. And make this like backslash thing. Then you're going to push this pin up and do second memory, which is positive 2, 1, 2. I think I executed it right. Now we're going to push this pin up and align these 2 clocks. Push this pin down and just solve everything else. And you'll do it correct. And if you know you'll do it correctly if this side is solved and this side is solved.